Here is my Jean-Luc Picard BrickHeadz, and I've been wanting to do this character for a while. Finally got around to it, but I actually want to make a lot of the Star Trek crew and cast members because I want to play around with this uniform and the different ways to design it, and so we can use different colors, techniques, and like the insignia badge, we can use different parts. But I started with Jean-Luc Picard not only because I've been wanting to do it for a while, but because he's got his own TV show, so he's probably going to get more searches on the internet, and also since he's a bald character, he's going to be much easier to design than other cast members who have hair. But we'll start as always with the bottom, and you know, they wear those black pants with black boots, so just a solid 4x4 plate with a 2x4 plate, and then two 1x2 bricks to create his pants and boots. And then for the uniform, we're doing a solid red this time for his captain uniform, but I put a 4x4 plate at the top where the neck is to kind of create that black collar that he has. The back is just two 1x4 bricks. The arms are the standard 2x2 plate tile, and then the flesh colored arm. But for the front of his uniform, what I did was I did a 1x4 brick, and then to get this insignia, I used the quarter tile piece here because I thought it really looked like the Federation insignia that they wear on their chest. To put that on, all I did was I did a 1x3 brick and a 1x1 brick with stud on one side. So I really think just putting this on the far right is a good position match, and if you put the rounded part on the bottom and the pointed part on the top, and just make it crooked a little bit, because if it's straight up and down, it just hangs over the side too much. I don't like that, so just by putting a little bit of an angle, it smooths this out and makes it look like it's actually on his uniform and not hanging off the side. And for the head, again, the reason I started with him is because he's bald. Now, Patrick Stewart, who plays Jean-Luc Picard, doesn't have like an overly round head. Sometimes when I make these bald characters, I use those rounded tile pieces, but I didn't think his head deserved it because he's not abnormally large on the top of his head. So I just did the flat tile pieces on the top, and then, you know, his face, standard BrickHeadz form here with the eyes and the tile pieces and the plates behind it. And for the side, where his hair comes in, the little bit of hair he has, it's really short cropped hair, and it's very close to the flesh. It's got that military look to it. So in the front, I put a 1x4 tile piece just to move the hair back a bit. And then I put a 2x3 light bluish gray tile to be the beginning of his hair. And then just to give him some sideburns, I did a 1x1 light bluish gray tile piece and a 1x1 tan piece, so those sideburns don't come all the way down. And then I finished it off with a 1x2 plate behind the ears, and then again, I just kept it very flat with these tile pieces and plate pieces in a light bluish gray. But I think this really, it does a good job of kind of representing that short cropped, you know, tight haircut that Jean-Luc Picard had as captain of the Starship Enterprise. But here is my Jean-Luc Picard BrickHeadz. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to making more Star Trek crewmates in the future.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.